Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching initiative Ekaleva. Standard 4 CBSE English. We will learn a new lesson from our Raintree English Literature Reader. The name of the lesson is When Daddy Was a Little Boy, written by Alexander Raskin. About the author, Alexander Raskin. Alexander Raskin lived between 1914 and 1971. He was a famous Russian writer. He had written many books. When Daddy Was a Little Boy was one among his many books. Alexander Raskin narrated himself as a little daddy in the story. He told his daughter, who was sick, all about his childhood memories in an interesting and in a funny way. We will read in this lesson one such memories which Alexander Raskin had narrated to his daughter. In this lesson, little daddy often changes his mind about what he wanted to become. We will see in this lesson what little daddy wanted to be. We will start with our lesson, When Daddy Was a Little Boy. When Daddy was a little boy, he was often asked, "What do you want to be when you grow up?" When little daddy was young, he was asked by many people what he wanted to be when he grew up. Grow is in present tense. Past tense of grow is grieve. Little daddy always had a ready answer, but each time it was a different one. Little daddy, he used to give the answer immediately, but each time he used to give different answer. At first he wanted to be a night watchman. Little daddy wanted to be a night watchman first. Why he wanted to be a night watchman? Let us see. He liked to think about the whole town being asleep while he, the night watchman, would be awakened. Little daddy was excited to think when all the people in the town were sleeping and he, the night watchman, alone was to be awakened and taking care of the whole town. So, little daddy wanted to be a night watchman. But then the ice cream man came along with his bright green cart. Why? If he were an ice cream man, he could push a cart and eat all the ice cream he wanted to. So at the time an ice cream man came, he was pushing his bright green cart. On seeing these ice cream man, immediately little daddy's mind changed. He wanted to be an ice cream man. Why he should not be an ice cream man, he thought, so that he could push the bright green cart and eat the ice cream whenever he wanted. Eat is present tense. Past tense for eat is ate. But then the ice cream man came along with his bright green cart. I will eat one for each pop I sell, little daddy thought. Pop means a piece of ice cream stick. with fruit flavor. Little Daddy thought that he would eat ice cream for selling each ice cream. Sell is in past tense for sell is sold. And I will treat every little child to ice cream free. Not only that, he thought that he would give treat for all the little children with free ice cream. Little Daddy's parents were very surprised when they heard that their son wanted to be an ice cream man. They thought that was very funny. So, when Little Daddy said that he wanted to be an ice cream man, his parents thought that it was a funny idea to be an ice cream man. But Little Daddy thought it would be a delicious way of being grown up. Delicious means here interesting way of living. So Little Daddy thought that it would be interesting for him to be an ice cream man. Then one day Little Daddy saw a man in overalls at the railroad station. Overalls means a piece of clothes worn by people over their clothes to keep them clean while working. So Little Daddy saw a person with the overall at the railroad station. The man was playing with cars and locomotives. Cars means here it is a train compartment where passenger used to sit. It is not the cars which were running on the roads. It is a train compartment. You would have seen the train with many compartments. So the cars referred here to the train compartments, and locomotives here it is the engine which helps to move the train. So Little Daddy saw a man was playing with the cars and the locomotives. You can see a person with overall and he is working with the engines. But these were real cars and real locomotives. He would jump on a platform and then crawl under the cars. It was some kind of a strange and wonderful game. But that person was not really playing with the cars and the locomotives. He was busy with his work, and he was jumping on the platform and crawling under the cars. Crawl means move with the hands and knees. It was some kind of a strange and wonderful game. So Little Daddy thought that it would be a different. He thought that it was a different job, and he thought it to be a wonderful game. He did not see it as a job. He thought it to be a wonderful game. Who is that man? Little Daddy asked. Little Daddy asked his father, who was that man? Little Daddy said, he is the shunter. Little Daddy's father said that he was the shunter. Shunter is a person whose job is to move the railroad cars around the tracks. Now Little Daddy knew what he wanted to be. He would shunt railroad cars. What in the world could be more fun? So now Little Daddy changed his mind, and now he wanted to become a shunter. So he thought that what could be more interesting than becoming a shunter. So new is in past tense, present tense is no. Then someone asked him, but what about selling ice cream? This was a problem. So someone asked, what happened to the idea of selling the ice cream? And that was a problem for him. Little Daddy had decided to become a shunter, but he did not want to give up pushing a bright green ice cream cart. At last, he found a way out. Little Daddy decided he wanted to be a shunter, but at the same time he wanted to be an ice cream man also. So he was not ready to give up the job of being an ice cream man. Give up means stop doing something. So he was not ready to give up that ice cream man job also. Then he found a solution. He said that I will be a shunter and an ice cream man. Now Little Daddy said that he would be a shunter as well as an ice cream man. Everyone was very surprised, but Little Daddy explained it all quite simply. So everyone was surprised on hearing to that Little Daddy wanted to be an ice cream man and also a shunter. How can he be both? So everyone were surprised, but Little Daddy explained it all quite simply. So, but Little Daddy explained to them quietly, that is not hard at all. I will sell ice cream in the morning, then after a while I will go to the station, I will shunt some cars there and go back and sell some more ice cream. Then I will go back to the station and shunt some more cars again, and then I will sell some more ice cream. Little Daddy said that it was not a difficult thing. He said that he would sell ice cream in the morning, then he would go to the station and shunt some cars. Then in the evening again he would sell ice cream. So he wanted to be a shunter as well as the ice cream man at the same time. Sell is present tense. Past tense for sell is sold. It won't be hard because I will park my cart near the station and won't have very far to go. Everyone laughed again. So Little Daddy said that it would not be difficult for him because he would park his ice cream cart near the station. So he need not want to walk a long distance to sell ice cream. But everyone laughed at the Little Daddy. Little Daddy got angry and said, if you are going to laugh at me, I will be a night watchman as well. There is nothing to do at night anyway. So it was all settled. So on hearing to that Little Daddy wanted to be a shunter and an ice cream man, everyone laughed at him. But Little Daddy got angry and said if they were going to laugh at him, he would be a night watchman also at the same time. Anyway, he said that he had nothing to do at night, so he could be a night watchman also. So Little Daddy wanted to be a shunter, an ice cream man and a watchman at the same time. So he goes on switching from one job to another. He was not steady in his mind. We will stop the lesson here and we will continue the lesson in the next class. Thank you, students.